The single-speed drivetrain has less components and requires little maintenance. There's no need to replace cables and make adjustments to the derailleurs. Clean and lubricate the chain ring, sprocket, tensioner, and chain once in a while to prevent any excessive wear and to keep your drivetrain rolling properly. The chain tensioner converts the bike to single speed when your frame has vertical dropouts. But is there any downside with it? The noise. No matter how you adjust it or align it, the pulley is making the noise when it engages with the chain. The noise is obvious, but it doesn't affect the riding of the bike. I have never dropped my chain for a single time. Does changing the aluminum pulley to something plastic manage to reduce the noise? Let's bring out a derailleur that I don't need. Take that pulley out and replace it. Can you hear the differences? Not much. The improvement is minimal to none. Therefore, I'll stick with the aluminum pulley.